Now, tea value chain players are calling for renegotiation and reintroduction of the minimum tea buying price to cushion farmers from price fluctuation, as well as reduce costs of unsold tea at the Mombasa Tea Auction. Led by Kenya Tea Development Agency Chairperson Enos Njeru, the value chain players argue that each tea factory should have its own reserve tea price, as opposed to the current blanket pricing, to give buyers options and make Kenyan tea more competitive.
In 2021, Kenya set the minimum price of a kilo of tea sold for the export market at $2.34 in order to cushion farmers from losses. However, the regulation had unintended consequences as buyers shunned tea produced in the country, leading to stockpiling at the auction. In October 2024, the Mombasa Auction, the world's second-largest tea trading platform, scrapped the minimum price following government intervention and calls from stakeholders in order to boost sales.
Our international buyers. Several tea factories have experienced low absorption of teas in the market due to the rankles and political interferences. This has an adverse effect on earnings of our farmers. We plead with all stakeholders to keep off from interfering with the boards elected by the farmers. Any matter of concern can still be handled through dialogue.
Tea stakeholders now say the commodity has experienced a price drop, threatening the livelihood of thousands of smallholder farmers who depend on tea cultivation as their primary source of income. KTDA, which represents over 600,000 small-scale farmers, is urging the government to reinstate the minimum reserve prices to cushion farmers from the price drop.
We have 2-3 individuals who've decided and who have taken it upon themselves to make sure that the farmer will not enjoy the hard work of his hands. We want to put on notice.
In addition to advocating for price stabilization measures, the stakeholders are also urging policymakers to maintain a clear separation between political agendas and the regulation of the tea market.
Tumefanya kazi. The government their responsibility is to assist us sell tea, identify markets, but not to come home and fight with the board directors.
Rais tafadhali atuite ndio tumlilie asikie kilio cha mkulima. Si ni kweli directors? So me I'm only asking one thing. Hapa hakuna kitu kingine hapa. Tuache kuongea mambo mingi hapa. Tukutane na president.
KTDA believes that implementing the measures will protect both farmers and the broader tea industry, ensuring its continued contribution to the economy.